Apple's ultra-thin iPhone Air may have captured attention with its sleek design, but it's also the iPhone everyone's ignoring in shelves, and now the company is hitting the brakes on its next version. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The original iPhone Air was launched in September at a price of $999. It promised style, lightness, and performance in the thinnest package ever, but critics and buyers quickly noticed the things that were missing. To achieve its featherweight design, Apple slashed the battery and camera, leaving the phone looking stunning but feeling underpowered compared to its rivals. Sales numbers were enough to tell the story. The Air's debut was disappointing. While the iPhone 17 offers solid power at a lower price, and the iPhone 17 Pro packs even more performance for just a bit more cash, the Air's charm simply wasn't enough to win over buyers. Because of all this, Apple has cut production of the Air by 80%. Now reports say Apple isn't giving up entirely on the Air. Instead, it's taking a step back to rethink its strategy by delaying the launch of the iPhone Air 2. The next one could take its time, very much like the iPhone SE, to fix what didn't work the first time. Whether that means boosting battery life, upgrading the camera, or just offering more bang for the buck. Although no official release date has been announced, leaving fans and tech enthusiasts guessing. For now, it looks like Apple betting on style alone is no longer being enough, and the Air might need more than thin looks to shine next time. Apple is rethinking and giving the iPhone Air a second chance, but only if it can finally prove it's more than just a pretty face. Did you like the iPhone Air when it was out? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.